My plan is I was setting already for this year a very tough target. We would like to sell at least 140,000 units, so an increase over 40%. By the end of 2019, we would like to have more than 500,000 cars electrified on the road from the BMW Group. And then in 2025, we would like to have the offer of 25 models, 12 of them fully electric, and our journey to e-mobility, our journey of success continues.
Press conference in Geneva.
We will deliver on our promises. Yeah? This car will go into, this fully electric car will go into the production, and the baby needs a name. So what is the name of that car? It's the BMW i4, produced in Munich at the heart of the BMW Group.
So how did you spend this special moment?
That was a very, very special. First of all, BMW has the best diesel engines in Europe. And despite falling diesel sales, we further reduced our EU fleet CO2 emissions with our European fleet to 122 grams. And this is another, shows that we are clearly very good on target in achieving the next steps. To have more than 500,000 cars electrified on the road from the BMW Group. And then in 2025, Peter Nota joined the team, the management team, on the 1st of January. He's an excellent guy. He's coming from the consumer industry, and I'm sure he will push the brand even further.
Okay, now we should have him on stage, right?
Yeah, Peter, please come.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Peter Nota.
Hello.
Hi, Peter.
Hi, Peter.
Hi.
Thanks for joining us. Take a seat. Peter, as Harald just mentioned, you come from the consumer industry. Why did you decide to join BMW now?
Well, I've worked with a lot of large global brands, and I've always really admired the BMW brand. For me, the BMW Group is the most inspiring and also most innovative premium mobility company in the world. And I'm new to the car industry, but certainly not to leading large company through times of disruptive transformation. We have something more. So this year, we'll also launch the new X4. So ladies and gentlemen, the world premiere of the all-new BMW X4.